Hello everyone, my name is Romain, I'm from Ringover. Thank you very much for joining this session. Today I'm going to be presenting about how to empower your business with the Smarter VoIP Communications as part of our partnership, technological partnership with Odoo. Firstly, a few words about myself. So I'm the product manager at Ringover. We are a VoIP company providing a suite of communications for CRMs and ATS CRMs such as Odoo. So I have more than 10 years of experience releasing products in the music, events, telecommunications industry. And today I'm very proud to be announcing our new products that we've built in common with Odoo. So here is the agenda for today's session. First, a few words about Ringover, who we are. Then we will tell you a little bit more about the products that we have built with Odoo to simplify all of your business communications. Then it will be the time to do a proper demo, so we will deep dive into the Ringover dialer, show you how you can interact more efficiently and gather more insights about your everyday communications with your customers, prospects, and clients all over the world. And then we'll address your questions at the end of this session. So we'll have a 20 minutes demo and then about 5 minutes to address your questions. So please feel free to scan the QR code behind me if you'd like to take part into the Q&A at the end of the session. I'm going to leave it on display for a minute or so, and then we'll start with the presentation. All right, I think we are good. So, first of all, our mission. What's Ringover's mission? Well, we want to turn every conversation into a powerful growth driver for every business. What it means is actually on a daily basis, if you are using Odoo products such as the CRM, the contact module, or it can be also the help desk, you're in conversations with your clients. Now, we want to use all of these insights to provide you with a leverage of growth for your business. How? Firstly, by totally simplifying the way you call your clients and the way your clients call you, by embedding, integrating totally your phone tool within Odoo, and then giving you more insights about the conversations that are held by you or your employees with your clients. And this is a true gold mine for you. I will show you at the end of the presentation how we have invested in AI in order to unlock a lot of profitable insights for your business. Just a few words about Ringover, where we are now. So the company started in 2005. We've grown a lot since then, and we've launched our full communication suite by 2018. Now we have more than 270 employees with our main office in Paris, France, and we also have offices in the US, Atlanta, in the UK, in London, and also in Spain with our Barcelona office. So 4 offices in total, and technically speaking, it's 15 database centers worldwide. So we get end-to-end control on our database, and we are also our own phone carrier, so we provide phone numbers to our clients. So we really have a telecom specialty. It's part of our DNA within Ringover. That's why we are proud to bring this expertise to tools like Odoo. Our clients represent roughly 40,000 companies around the world, and through the Ringover service, we manage about 2.2 million calls per day. So our infrastructure is extremely scalable, and we address small and medium businesses as well as larger companies. Speaking of larger companies, here are a few of our references. So you can see maybe a few names here that may ring a bell. There are a few Belgian references as well, but you may recognize big insurance companies such as AXA, also startups, well, scale-ups actually like Molt. We also have big companies such as British Airways who are using our VoIP communication services on a daily basis, Decathlon, and so on and so forth. So for all of these businesses, we are able to elevate their business conversations on a daily basis. So how do we do that? Basically, by providing them with an all-in-one business communication solution that is simple to install, activate, and use. So the first pillar of this solution is our cloud-based business phone system. We provide basically virtual numbers to our clients so that they can make unlimited calls to more than 110 destinations. Not only that, but also advanced IVR so that they can route their incoming calls to the right agents through smart call routing. And lately, we've grown a lot to cover even more omni-channel capabilities, so not only calls, but also SMS, text messages, WhatsApp, by providing WhatsApp business numbers to our clients who need to open this communication channel with their customers. So it's pretty popular in Spain right now, for example. But we also have instant chats. We also have our own video meeting tool. So really a full communication suite. This is benefiting team productivity overall through integrations like Odoo. Just to give you an idea, today we support natively more than 100 integrations with the biggest actors on the market. And yeah, we are really proud to serve Odoo as well today. Our focus is on supervision and coaching as well. Since via the Ringover tool, you can benefit from really state-of-the-art features such as double listening. So as a manager, you can listen to your employees and see if they are using the right speech with their customers. And you can also whisper into their ear to deliver some advices for them, for example, to close a deal or provide even better support to their customers. So yeah, we are very good as well as on coaching. So now let's dive deeper and tell you more about what's exciting about our technological partnership with Odoo. First of all, we are providing Odoo with simple and efficient one-click calling. So what is one-click calling? Well, in Odoo, every time you have some contact's phone number, you're going to be able to click on that number and make a phone call straight from Odoo. No need to spend time or waste time going from one tab to another. Everything is accessible in one click within Odoo. You're going to make your calls, receive calls, and also, if you'd like, send SMS to your customers and log all of your conversations with your clients. So this opens the opportunity of better follow-up with your clients because you have the full history of communications, regardless of the channel that you've used for every contact in Odoo. All you need is an internet connection, and Ringover provides you with the phone number. You can use a national phone number in Belgium, for example, or you can also buy mobile phone numbers. Mobile phone numbers are very popular, notably amongst the sales teams, because it dramatically increases the pickup rate when you're calling a prospect. And he sees mobile number, then he's more likely to pick up the phone. Then we enable the teams to have better customer management through the complete call history. So every interaction is going to appear in Odoo for the agents, but also the managers, not only the history, but also the full context of each call, which means the notes that you've taken, the tags that you've added during the call, and then thanks to our AI, we are able to directly after the call put the link to the transcript of the call. For if you'd like to play it back, we also have the audio link so that you can listen back to the call. And now with the artificial intelligence, we also provide you with summaries, next step analysis, so you know exactly what you have to do after the call without just reading your notes again. So it dramatically increases the productivity thanks to AI. It dramatically increases the productivity of the customer-facing teams. All right. And lastly, so actually we are going to demonstrate that in a few minutes. We also have invested a lot in AI lately. along the past 2 years. Actually, more than 30% of our workforce are developers. And this has enabled us to develop a new add-on called Empower that enables you to do an even better analysis of every call by detecting the intent of your customers and specific moments during the call. This gives you even more actionable next steps and also brings you a way to filter out. I don't know, if you're making thousands of calls daily, then it gives you the main themes, most recurrent themes, all across your communications with your clients, and it enables your business to make better informed decisions. For example, if the clients are mentioning a lot the specific feature requests, or they're having trouble with some part of the onboarding, or some clients want to, are looking for a different type of offer. All of this you can know because now we provide you with a way to do it at scale with Ringover's AI. Lastly, and that's the last part where we have injected our know-how in terms of customer relationship management in Odoo, we also integrate with Odoo Help Desk. So by using a tag within the Ringover dialer, as you're during a conversation with any of your clients who may experience some trouble with something they're calling support, you can launch the creation of a ticket right away by applying a tag. And this is great because it saves you a lot of time. It enables faster resolution time because your support teams do not have to wait until the call is finished. The ticket is created, the customer is identified, and then as soon as the call is hanged up, we insert the transcription, summary, the tags. So all the context is there to make your support teams more efficient and faster in solving every ticket. All right. So enough talking. Now we are going to dive deep into the solution. I am going to demo you Ringover, fully integrated within Odoo. Now this interface, you may know it. Obviously, it's the Odoo CRM. So I'm going to use it for the demonstration, but please bear in mind that anywhere that contact number is present, you're going to be able to do the same, which is open the contact and click on the phone number, and boom, this opens the Ringover dialer fully integrated. You can see that there is proper contact synchronization. I'm going to call out a client named Michel. We're going to call him right away. And as I'm calling him, you may notice that the display is changing and now I have more options at hand. So Michel is going to pick up this call. And whilst I'm speaking with him, I can take notes straight from the dialers, which is very convenient. So I will type generic note like plan a demo with him on Monday, October 7th. He's interested in Odoo plus Ringover. All right, that's my notes. That's a start. Now I'm going to click on I've just clicked on the tag button, which enables me to use my custom tags. So you can choose whatever tags you'd like to use there. I'm going to qualify him as a hot lead, and he's an Odoo lead. I'm going to close this. During the call, I'm also benefiting from the full range of very ergonomic services that Ringover provides because it's a full-featured dialer. So if I need to transfer the call to someone, like a colleague who's more knowledgeable than me about a specific topic, I'm going to transfer him the call. I can put my customer on hold, and so on and so forth. For now, I'm going to finish the call. I can also review the history of calls that have been made with him, by the way, and I can check the past notes that have been taken, with this client. So if somebody, for some reason, is in a conversation with him, he can view who has called him from my team, what was the topic. He gets the full context for the call. All right. Now, I'm hanging up the call, and you can see here that I enter snooze time. So this is a period of time that I've set to myself so that I can edit my notes if needed. He's interested in Ringover plus AI features. Whoops, good. I can also take time to create a task for myself. So Michel was requesting me to have a proper demo on Monday. So I'm going to follow up with a video meeting. That's our embedded video meeting tool. I'm going to select next Monday, 7th, and he wanted to have his demo at 2 p.m. And boom, my task is created. So everything now is fine and neatly arranged. I have my notes, tags, I know what next steps to do. And I'm going to end this call. All right, so that's only the beginning of the story. So I've just shown you one touch point with these contacts. But here in Odoo's notes, you may notice that I have a lot of other different past conversations with him. So after each call, this is what you get. You get the full view, first of all, linked to the call recording. So if you need to listen back to the call, you can do this. You can also check what tags were applied, the notes you've taken, and you also have the link to the transcription. Obviously, I'm not going to listen to the full call, but I may want to open the transcription. All right. So this is one of the transcription with Michel. And obviously, the summary is very practical because it summarizes everything that was said during the call. At the bottom, yeah, you can see the next steps that were identified at the end of the call. If I check this, these next steps are in French because my interface was in French at the moment I generated the summary. But yes, so I propose to transfer to a client, and then the client express some interest for a specific offer from us. So all of this enables your agents to be even more performant and more accurate when they are following up with their contacts, whether it's for outbound calls or inbound calls as well. So if you are working at support, similarly, you're going to be able to make your phone calls through Ringover. So here I'm calling back this number now, and as I'm calling him back, you can see that this is ringing here. I may be actually working on other tabs, may have my pipeline or another Odoo tab open is going to ring on my last active tab. And boom, I can then pick up the call and the same experience, which is very consistent. All right. So this is part of the, any Ringover license when you subscribe to an account with us. And then if you want to go even further, we have released in 2023 our AI conversational intelligence tool called Empower that enables you to go even further in the call analysis. So now we are in Empower, and you can see at the top that I have a series of colored tags here. What are these tags? Well, they are simply called moments, and moments are groups of keywords that teach our AI how to detect specific topics for us automatically across all of our business conversations, whether it's phone calls and also now video meetings. Thanks to an extension, you can also invite Empower, and it acts as a premium note taker. So what's the premium about it, you ask me? Well, each of these moments are going to be identified all across the call. So here in the middle, you have the audio recording of the call with the caller and the callee. And in orange, for example, you may see that at the end, we have trial accounts here identified at the end. If I click on it, it's going to zoom on the exact part of the conversation that's about, can we have a test account for 5 users? Fine. So I've gained a lot of time just by spotting that excerpt. Then on the agent side, he has a green tag here. is proposing to open a test account. So this saves you a lot of time, to identify if your team is talking about the right topics, are they being really efficient at handling the calls. You can see it all at a glance and zoom on the juicy bits of the call. It also enables any kind of teams within your company. For example, even product teams like myself, we also use it to identify feature requests, and we have specific tags on that for some clients who may require specific feature, and then we can capture some insight about it. So it's not only giving you a better, more precise vision on every call at a very micro level, but also enabling you to have a better macro understanding of all the calls throughout your organization, thanks to our analytics. So here I'm on the analytics dashboard, and you can see that all of my moments are compiled here. And I also have moments for filler words if I want to train my teams and eliminate them, little by little. I don't want them to use very generic words. I want them to improve their speech. Test accounts is there, feature requests with different teams. So this is very good for your board of directors because you can run this in the background all across your conversations, capture insights, and make more business-informed decisions. Lastly, in terms of coaching, actually I may get back to one call just to show you that very nice feature. Let's say, for example, I'm going to take another call with more tags identified. Let's see. Okay, cross-sell opportunity, WhatsApp. This sounds like an interesting call. Okay. See here at the end of the call there is the testing account and Spanish demonstration that is mentioned. So I can save that call to train my Spanish team to be better at handling this kind of request. But the call is quite long. It's 15 minutes long, so I may only need one excerpt of that call. So this is possible with our snippets feature in Empower. Boom, I can create a snippet of that very moment. Click on Create Snippet. I will put closing test account ES. And now it's saved, and it's going to be available for me to put in my library. When my teams go to my library, they will find some themes such as Sales Academy with best practices. They can load a call, and they can play it back, and they can check, and they can learn from it. So it really enables you to elevate your whole business in having better, more efficient conversations. And we, Ringover, we take care of eliminating all the boring parts and all the time-consuming tasks, such as taking notes, making summaries, and so on. All right, back to the presentation now, as we are running a bit short on time. So this is, I have only been scratching the surface here about Ringover features, and here on the screen behind me you can see all of the additional features that you can benefit from, which are also parts of our license costs. So if you're looking for a very convenient IVR, a vocal standard to welcome your customers on a specific phone number and let them dial through their choices, you can customize that through Ringover. It's super easy to use, lets you cascade the calls, assign them to the right users in your teams. It lets you also assign them to the contact owner in Odoo as well, which is very convenient. Power Dialer is for the sales team to make lots of outbound calls in a row. Call monitoring, I've already talked about that, which is to guide agents and whisper into their ear to deliver more advice. Advanced analytics, I don't have enough time to show you this, but if you want to come by our stand, which is located on E7, I will be very pleased to demo all the rest of the functionalities that are included. And last but not least, what we're introducing this year is the Chrome extension with Odoo. So for those of you who may already be using the Ringover module, now it's soon going to be replaced by something much more convenient that we've developed with Odoo. Chrome extension with the exact same functionalities. What you've seen me using today is actually the Chrome extension. Every time I was using the dialer, I was taking notes, and so on. It was our Chrome extension, so even easier to use, and most importantly, it doesn't generate any additional fees for you. No maintenance fees, and no additional fees when switching, when upgrading from a version of Odoo to the next one. I think we are almost finished. I think it's time for the Q&A. If there are any partners who want to join our partnership program and propose Ringover services to their customers, feel free to scan this code if you'd like to join, and then I will happily respond to your questions. Hi.
That was a very insightful presentation. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
I think we have time for 1 or 2 questions,
All
and
right.
I'll go straight into it.
Okay.
So to the first one, which data is stored outside of Odoo?
Okay, so the data that is stored out of Odoo is the contact name, company, phone number. We do contact recognition based on the phone number. Now we have various types of syncs. So you can sync your whole list of contacts if you want to have them available at hand within Ringover. Or you can synchronize them one by one. So each time you make or receive a call, we will incrementally sync the contacts you were in conversation with.
Okay.
Or last choice, because some companies do not like us to store any data, we will just display the contact information and we won't store any information.
Okay.
Really up to the company.
All right. I think just one final one. Is the integration available in Africa? I think that was...
The integration, yes, I think it's available in... I know for sure it's available in North Africa,
Okay.
so in Algeria, Morocco. Then please go check on our website.
Sure.
We serve more than 41, 42 countries today, so I'm pretty sure, yes, we are well implemented there as well.
All right, I think we will leave it there for now. As you said, you have a booth, and I welcome the audience to visit
at
it.
E7. You're welcome to visit us there. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.